In the previous videos, we explored the free trading platform OPOtrade, step by step, including how to register, create an account, and log into your account. I'm Yassi, and today I'll guide you through the user interface of this platform. Again, a step by step. So, as always, start by logging into your user panel. From the menu, select OPOtrade and then click on the chart section to access the OPOtrade platform workspace. OPOtrade integrates seamlessly with TradingView, so the interface will feel familiar, definitely. On the left sidebar, you can access tools like trend lines, Fibonacci, brush, zoom, and more. On the top toolbar, choose your trading symbol, set timeframes, switch chart display, and add indicators or view your Oppo Finance account details. And on the multi-chart feature, open up to 8 charts at once, free for all users. And the chart setting, customize the look and feel of your charts, trend lines, and other visual elements. On the right sidebar, you'll find the watchlist, data window, and the object tree. The object tree organizes all the active elements on your chart, like trend lines and indicators, so you can easily manage them layer by layer. And at the bottom of the screen, you'll find everything you need to stay on the top of your trades, like open positions, registered orders, transaction history, account reports, notification. When you're ready to trade, use the buy and sell shortcut button on the screen. Click one, review your position details, set your profit and loss limits, and confirm your orders. We love connecting with you on YouTube. For more tutorials, please subscribe to Oppo Finance channel. If you have further questions, feel free to drop them in the comment section and we're more than happy to help. Thanks for watching. See you in the next videos.